not recipe, but it's something what everyone needs to know. How to boil eggs. Today I want to show you how to boil eggs, the classic hard-boiled eggs that we use for hard-boiled eggs recipes, such as egg salad or deviled eggs, or really on to put on your cup salad, or just eat as it is, which is we often do. And also I want to mention the eggs we're using today is from my chickens. They are very beautiful and fresh, kind of. This is from Silky, from our little chicken, so they are small. This is from Quail. Usually to boil eggs, and in order to peel easily, I try to use not the freshest eggs. If you buy in a grocery, you will never have this problem, because in a grocery it's never fresh eggs to begin with. So we'll use 12 eggs. So the secret for perfect deviled eggs to have an egg yolk central, really in the central of your egg. So in order to have truly beautifully cooked eggs and have a central egg yolk, you need to kind of move them around to level up and central their egg yolk naturally. So kind of do like this. Little bit of like swirl them around, make them swim a little bit, and try to use the pot that little bit full with eggs, so they're not going to bouncing around. On low heat, please bring them gently to boil. Slowly bring it to boil. Now turn on heat. We don't want more bouncing around. We don't want to break any shelf. Cover and wait 10 minutes. 10 minutes pass and our eggs are ready. Now all I need to do to bring into ice water gently. And I usually do this prep once a week on Sunday, and then we have eggs through the week. Let's keep for a few minutes in a ice water bath. Now what I like to do, kind of to release and easier to peel the shelf, I like to tap a little bit and then place back in the water. So that way water gets between membrane of eggshell and egg whites, and this kind of helps to peel as well. Just slightly crack. Like this. Now peel. Last one. And the eggshell actually goes back to chicken coop. They like to eat shell on shelf. As you see, this egg is not overcooked, has slightly soft on the middle. That's the way I like. If you like more, cook or keep in a pot for 1 more minute longer. Also, if you notice how much egg yolk I have in my eggs compared to the egg white, more egg yolk than egg white. And good eggs should have bigger egg yolk, where all nutrients actually located, right? So I hope I inspire you to make once a week big batch of hard-boiled eggs and use through the week. Bye, see you next time.